Yes, all the time I've been always planning to show you how locally alcohol is distilled. Of course, if you follow this procedure that I'm going to take you through, you'll come out with the best alcohol that is many people like consuming in the market. Yeah, of course, the process is very simple as I'm going to take you through. What you're seeing are actually ripe bananas, and these are the main ingredients when it comes to alcohol distillation. The process starts with, of course, planting of the bananas. I will not take you through that. After planting your bananas, you leave them to grow, and when they get ready, you actually harvest them. What you are seeing are actually harvested banana. It is a very big heap, and here we cover these bananas in order to be ripe. What you are seeing are ripe bananas. So we cover them for 4 days, and the moment they become ripe, so we remove them. We remove the covers and everything, and we pluck the banana fingers and put them in a drum, as you are going to see. So we pluck all the banana fingers and we put them in a drum. Then we smash them and we leave them for 3 days. After 3 days, each drum of banana is filled with three uh, uh, three jerrycans of water. Then later on, what follows is the squeezing. We later on squeeze out the juice from the drum. Then we take the juice to the river where there is maybe flowing water, and we do the process most people actually call distillation. The process is in the front of this video. Just watch until the very last end. You will see how the juice is filled in the drum, and afterwards, of course, the alcohol will come out, and that's all you need to know when it comes to this process of distillation. Remember, alcohol is one of the most expensive uh, thing. It is more expensive than petrol, because a 20-liter jerrycan of alcohol goes for 150 to 200,000 here. It simply means it is one of the most expensive thing here. So you normally see different brands of alcohol being sold in the market today and nowadays, and all those are products of spirit. Yeah, spirit. But this is the local alcohol that is brewed here in Uganda, and of course it is advisable, it is allowed to be taken because it is safe. It's not the other chemicals that most of you take. Each and every drink today in the market is mostly made of spirit. So here, people, they will squeeze out the juice, as I've been telling you, to ensure that we get what we have to put in the drum. And once we put this liquid, we call it a sand here, we put it in the drum and we begin getting alcohol. So you watch the video until the very last end. It is very interesting and it has all the steps you need actually to take in the alcohol distillation. So here we have to put in our liquid that we got from our bananas. This is not banana juice, but it is also strong. When people drink it, they also actually they can become drunk. So we feed three jerrycans in one drum, and of course we get 1 jerrycan of alcohol from this. So that's how the process goes like that. You put the jerrycan there, it goes there, and of course, as you are all aware, if you want to do the distillation, you must be having fire you must be having a drum, and also you must be having water to cool the moisture that comes from the drum, and that's what turns into alcohol. So after we remove the waste, and that's called muduku. So this guy will leave this stick to come out of the drum, and the waste will be out, as you can see. So later on they will add in more, then the process continues like that, and that's how basically alcohol is produced here. And of course, if you want to drink, I have some around with me. So that's the Uganda Waragi. You see the local brewed alcohol and the original one, not the spirits that most people actually take nowadays. Thank you so much for watching. You can finish this video to learn more about interesting steps of alcohol distillation in Uganda. Akarungi na tapti kamanyere nyowe. Agar kita yo komoyo. Nzo kampo wewe kachichi. Ukika rundi yoyo. Ndio ukika rundi yoyo. Na ubu mkwetere kwa sasa mberadieri ya tumpero tunanywa sasa no tunahichia. Kurungi muno.
Naona kirungi yake technology hizi. Hata wewe makusumua.
Ati nyo sasa no kusanga na marakuri ya kurungi. Nsibire ntajua hii. Hata kusanga na marakuri ya kurungi. Ngoma. Nsibire ntaina mulimo kuona ntakozera mulimo kuona na marakuri ya kurungi. Nongereza kana wakati nyikara nikaje ni. No kamaramu. Ni kamaramu eh. Bagenda bapasa kusatu.
Kalo bani de kubatera mo sande.
Kwa kina ne tan bom tabu wa tan kido. Wa problem satu.
Stara jimu.
Hata kujanga kujagi.
Wakakujagi. No kubwana toka bwane. Enoki kolo wejwer bun.
Ningoje kutie. Ndia ugwa. Era. Era ni kiki. Era kama ni pati. Era. Ini kan.